In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account in QuickBooks. Whether you're setting up a brand new company file or organizing an existing one, the process is quick and helps keep your books clean and searchable. First, open QuickBooks online in your browser and sign into your company. You'll land on the Home or Get Things Done page. Make sure you're in the right company if you manage more than one. This walkthrough focuses on creating the bank account record in your books. It doesn't connect to your bank feed yet. Next, head to your chart of accounts. Depending on your view, you can find it from the left navigation under Bookkeeping or Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of all the accounts your business uses to track money, income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and, in our case, bank accounts. Taking a moment here to set things up accurately will make reports and reconciliations much smoother later. Inside the chart of accounts, select the New button to create a new account, then fill in the requested information. For account type, choose Bank. For detail type, pick the option that best matches how you'll use the account, like checking or savings. Give the account a clear, consistent name you and your team will recognize, such as operating checking or business savings. You can add a short description if it helps identify the bank or purpose. If you're entering an opening balance, use the balance as of a specific date and be sure that date is the start of your record keeping in QuickBooks or the date of the last reconciliation from your prior system. If you plan to connect this account to online banking after setup, many accountants recommend leaving the opening balance blank and letting the downloaded transactions establish the starting point, which helps avoid duplicates. Double-check the currency and make sure the account is marked as active. When everything looks right, save your changes. You'll return to the chart of accounts where you should see the new bank account listed under the bank type. You can click View Register to confirm it's there and ready for transactions. And that's it. You've added a bank account in QuickBooks, keeping your chart neat and ready for accurate reporting. From here, you can start recording deposits and expenses against this account, or, if needed, connect it to your bank feed later to bring in transactions automatically. Thanks for watching and keep your books tidy.